If you are an American concerned about food shortages and the potential for further supply chain disruptions, then pay attention. There's never been a more important time to have your own stockpile of high-quality survival food on hand than there is right this minute. We've been reviewing survival food for the past 8 years, and today I'm here to tell you about something I am really excited about. It's a brand new survival food called Famine Fighter from American hero Teddy Daniels. After careful review, we have determined that there is no other survival food on the market today that even comes close to what is being provided by Famine Fighter. Now, as you can imagine, Famine Fighter food is made in America, but not only that, it's also made exclusively from all-American ingredients grown on American-owned farms. These high-quality nutritious ingredients are then combined by skilled food scientists to create wholesome, high-calorie meals to keep your family fat and happy in the event of an extended food shortage. You can read more about all of the delicious food options on the official Famine Fighter website. But before you go, be sure to use the link in the description below where it says jvlikes.com/ff to ensure that you get Famine Fighter at the best possible discount available. Using that special link below where it says jvlikes.com/ff ensures that you receive your 2 free bonus books from Teddy Daniels himself, and ensures that you are eligible for a full money-back guarantee in the case that you are in any way dissatisfied with the product. That being said, I think you will probably be extremely satisfied with this product as it is. As I mentioned, the highest quality survival food on the market today. One of the best things about this product is the incredibly sophisticated technology that has been implemented to ensure that the food is kept safe, secure, and uncontaminated, so that it doesn't expire for a full 25 years. Yes, I know that's a long time, but Teddy Daniels spared no expense to ensure that this product uses only the very best packaging technology to make the pouches of food virtually puncture-proof. They are shipped to you in solid, sturdy, stackable buckets that you can store easily in a spare closet so that you'll have all the survival food you need on hand at a moment's notice. We will wrap things up because time really is of the essence. This food may not be available for that long, so I highly recommend clicking on the link below where it says jvlikes.com/ff now to secure your shipment. And believe me, you are going to feel a great relief knowing that you have this food available for you and your family in the event that you need it. Keep plenty on hand, and enjoy knowing that you have taken this step to secure your family's safety and comfort for the road ahead.